So CNC machining centers come in all different shapes and sizes. Today I want to introduce you to one of our big boys. It's our newest machine, it's our biggest machine, and it's definitely here to help our customers take on big jobs. It's got a 2 meter milling capacity, a 4th axis, and horizontal tooling. Today we've got a large shaft that's on there on the machine, putting a large, nice big flat across it. We've got a damesh that set the machine up, and basically a couple of clicks of a button, the job's underway.